Hi everyone, it's Global Scholarships and I'm your host. I hope you're all doing well. I hope everything is going great. And today we're going to talk about how to get a Canadian work visa. So let's get to it.
Seeking a rewarding employment after school is an individual's prime priority in this ever-evolving world. Advancing one's career requires meticulous planning and searching for lucrative job opportunities in countries that have prospered in economic and technological aspects. Canada comes high in consideration among all these countries. Canada, being a land of diverse cultures and mesmerizing landscapes, also offers individuals with immense employment possibilities. With relaxed work policies for skilled workers, the country's work visa approval is high. With over 700,000 job vacancies in the country, as per the Job Vacancy and Wage Survey from Statistics Canada, people from across the globe gravitate towards landing a job here. And if you want to find the perfect scholarship for yourself, go to our website globalscholarships.com and use our free search tool. Type in the program, university or the country you are interested in and see all the available scholarships. Use our filters to find the most suitable scholarship for yourself. It's completely free and doesn't even require registration. Find the perfect scholarship right now. One big pull factor is the high average salaries offered to degree-holding individuals here, along with more paid leaves compared to other developed countries. All these factors and significant work hours per week make Canada an ideal destination for international applicants. However, even after finding a job, people find it hard to obtain a work visa to enter and reside in the country. In this video, we will highlight the accurate process to obtain a Canadian work visa along with all particulars associated with the process. Step 1. Apply for jobs and get an LMIA if needed. Before applying for a work visa, the majority of foreign workers are required to undergo a labor market impact assessment. A letter of market impact demonstrates that the employment market in Canada will not be negatively affected by the hiring of foreign workers. This application is to be filled out by the individual's prospective employer. Your employment type and intended length of stay in Canada will determine the kind of work permit that is appropriate for you. The most popular work visa is the 4-year temporary one. Step 2. Collect supporting documentation. Depending on the kind of work permit you are seeking, the necessary paperwork can include a filled-out application form, a passport, proof of education and credentials, financial support proof, medical reports, a police clearance certificate, and some other essentials. The applicant must be below 45 years of age before applying for a Canadian work visa. Step 3. Sign up for an account online. The Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada IRCC website directs you to create an online account to apply for your work visa online. Your application for a work visa will be uploaded to this account. Step 4. Register by paying the fee. The required application fee for a work visa must be paid. Usually the IRCC website is where payments may be made online. The specifics of the work permit, among other things, could affect the cost. Step 5. Biometric information. The next step is to provide biometrics if required. Providing biometric information is essential if your nation or territory has such a requirement. A picture and a fingerprint will need to be taken at a certain place. Step 6. Fill out the application and then upload it to your IRCC account. Be sure to include all necessary documentation, including your LMIA, employment offer, and any other necessary supporting paperwork. Submit the application within the time frame and then wait for the response. Documents needed for a Canadian work visa. The particular documentation needed for a work visa to Canada might differ based on the kind of visa the individual is seeking. But here are some standard documents that are frequently required to be attached to the visa application form. A valid passport that has a validity of 6 months beyond the intended period of stay of the individual. Proof of a valid student residence permit or visit visa. An offer letter from the firm that is hiring the applicant, which contains the position the person is filling and the duration of employment. The employer must obtain this from ESDC, which allows the arrival of immigrants in Canada for employment purposes and allows their issuance of work permits. An employment contract is another requirement for a Canadian work visa. Certificate of Language Proficiency Test, which can be IELTS or TOEFL, showing at least a B2 level of clearance per CEFR. Diplomas and transcripts of previous educational records from respective colleges and universities need to be provided. Proof of financial means to support the individual during their stay in Canada. A valid health insurance is required during the person's stay in Canada. So what is the processing time for a Canadian work visa? Well, it depends on the country. After paying the visa application fee, which is 155 Canadian dollars for temporary work permits and 100 Canadian dollars for open work permits, the individual can analyze the processing time of the visa. The processing time for various types of Canadian visas are also different. For instance, in 80% of circumstances, Express Entry typically approves application within 6 months. On the other hand, other types of permits such as open work permits might take 3 to 6 months. Well, what are the top in-demand jobs in Canada? The job market is booming in Canada with the requirement of highly skilled individuals to support the economy of the country. The country is offering over 1 million jobs to domestic and international individuals. With the saturation of degree-holding experts in the field, the Canadian government came forward with many job opportunities. This is in efforts to diversify the population, support internationalization, and build their economic growth. Software developers, accountants, engineering project managers, business analysts, licensed doctors, cybersecurity analysts, sales representatives, human resource professionals, customer service representatives, and many others are some of the top jobs that are high in demand within Canada. Many tech giants and big corporations are offering these jobs to foreign applicants readily. This is a great opportunity for fresh graduates to push their careers forward.
And well, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Also, join our live streams on Fridays. Every Friday, we do live streams on both TikTok and YouTube. We go over different scholarship opportunities and you can come and ask any questions that you might have. As always, for more comprehensive guides on studying abroad, as well as scholarship opportunities, visit our website at globalscholarships.com. See you in the next one.